One crooked score can turn a beautiful 48-inch tile into an expensive pile of shards. Manual cutters look simple, but rail strength, wheel quality, support, and braking pressure completely change the result. Today, we're ranking the 7 best manual tile cutters, from compact renovation tools to heavy-duty machines built for oversized porcelain. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. VEVOR 8102E. Large renovation jobs quickly expose the limitations of a short cutter, and that is where this VEVOR earns its place. With a maximum cutting length of 48 inches, it can handle substantial wall and polished tiles that smaller machines simply cannot accommodate. An infrared guide helps align straight scores, while the metal ridge and ball-bearing sliding head keep the cutting motion smooth. Adjustable measurement and angle rulers also make repeated cuts easier when you are laying an entire row rather than trimming one lonely tile. 2 folding support legs help balance wide pieces, and the rubber base reduces movement when you apply braking pressure. The aluminum platform and corrosion-resistant steel rails provide a reassuringly solid foundation without making the machine unnecessarily complicated. Its main limitation is material compatibility. This model is intended for smooth wall and polished tiles, not marble, granite, uneven surfaces, or microcrystalline stone. It makes the most sense for homeowners and installers working with large, conventional tiles who want useful guidance, generous capacity, and straightforward operation at a sensible price. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Tiler. Not every project involves enormous floor tiles. Sometimes you need a compact cutter that can move between a bathroom, kitchen, and workshop without requiring its own parking space. This 14-inch tiler model is built precisely for that smaller, more portable kind of work. Its replaceable tungsten carbide wheel scores ceramic, porcelain, and other standard tiles up to roughly 0.47 inches thick. A ball-bearing sliding mechanism keeps the motion controlled, while reinforcement beneath the braking area helps snap the tile with less effort. The aluminum base and twin solid rails provide stability without excessive weight. There is also a rubberized handle, an anti-pinch feature, and non-slip padding underneath, which are welcome details when you are making dozens of repetitive cuts. Naturally, the 14-inch capacity rules it out for modern large-format tiles. However, that smaller size is also its advantage. It requires almost no assembly and is easy to transport or store. This is the cutter I would recommend for backsplashes, subway tile, small bathroom renovations, and occasional do-it-yourself projects where quiet, dust-free cutting matters more than oversized capacity. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. VEVOR 120. A cutter can have impressive capacity and still become frustrating when the sliding head shakes halfway through a score. This VEVOR tackles that problem with 27 ball bearings, an improved spring mechanism, and a built-in oil reservoir designed to keep movement smooth along the rail. Its alloy cutting wheel handles tiles up to 47 inches wide and approximately 0.24 to 0.59 inches thick. The infrared guide improves alignment, while 3 aluminum rulers help with repeated measurements. That combination is particularly helpful when you need several identical strips and do not want to remeasure every tile from the beginning. It also performs best on smooth, standard tiles rather than uneven mosaics. This model suits renovators who value repeatable accuracy and mechanical stability. It is especially compelling for long porcelain or ceramic cuts, where a smooth carriage matters more than extreme portability or premium material compatibility. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Shijing. Material versatility is where this Shijing cutter starts separating itself from many ordinary score and snap machines. Its high-hardness tungsten carbide wheel is designed for ceramic, porcelain, marble, granite, and other demanding surfaces, giving installers more flexibility when projects involve several materials. The 48-inch platform uses a double-layer aluminum structure that resists deformation while remaining lighter than an equivalent steel frame. Adjustable aluminum feet support wider tiles, helping prevent the wobbling and unsupported edges that often lead to accidental cracks. This machine requires more space and commitment than a compact home cutter, and delicate stone still demands careful technique. However, it makes excellent sense for professional installers or ambitious renovators working across ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone. Its combination of rigid construction, broad compatibility, and thin tile control makes it one of the more adaptable large format options here. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. VEVOR Tile Cutter. Repeated cuts are where an average manual cutter becomes exhausting. This VEVOR model combines a laser alignment system, adjustable measuring scales, and a smooth, linear-bearing carriage, helping you move from one tile to the next without constantly second-guessing the scoreline. The titanium-coated tungsten carbide wheel is designed to produce clean scores across ceramic, porcelain, polished floor tile, and even some granite. Its working range covers widths from roughly 1.4 inches to 47 inches, with tile thicknesses between approximately 0.24 and 0.59 inches. An aluminum frame keeps the structure reasonably portable, while the solid rail and wide support feet reduce flex during longer cuts. Despite the broad material claims, this cutter is still happiest with smooth, standard surfaces. Uneven mosaics can move beneath the wheel and produce unpredictable breaks. This is a strong choice for serious do-it-yourself users, workshops, and installers who need large capacity without moving into a much heavier professional platform. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Ironmax. Balancing a 48-inch tile on a narrow platform can feel like carrying a dinner tray through a crowded room. Ironmax addresses that problem with 4 adjustable support feet that swing outward, creating a broader and more stable surface for large ceramic, porcelain, polished, and floor tiles. Its replaceable tungsten carbide wheel runs along a solid ball-bearing slide bar, helping maintain a straight, even score. The integrated ruler supports parallel cuts and angled cuts from 0 to 60 degrees, making the machine useful for both standard layouts and more decorative installations. The trade-off is weight. This is not the machine you casually tuck under one arm while carrying 3 boxes of tile. Still, it needs no electricity or water and creates virtually no dust. Ironmax is ideal for remodelers and professionals who regularly handle large tiles and prioritize support, durability, and dependable angled cutting over lightweight portability. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Maycados Puppy. This is what a premium manual cutter looks like when stability becomes the main priority. The Maycados Puppy uses a reinforced double rail design and a built-in linear guide system, producing a smooth scoring motion while resisting the flex and gradual misalignment that can affect lighter machines. 4 rows of internal steel balls help the carriage glide consistently, while the tungsten carbide cutting wheel handles materials between roughly 0.16 and 0.71 inches thick. The braking mechanism delivers up to 1,700 pounds of pressure, which is serious leverage for dense porcelain and large format tile. Laser positioning helps establish the cutting path, and the folding ruler reduces storage bulk. Silent rubber wheels also make the machine easier to move around a busy job site, an underrated advantage once the cutter becomes large and heavy. Several cutting lengths are available, reaching up to approximately 63 inches. That flexibility lets buyers match the machine to their usual tile size. This is the strongest overall option for professional installers handling oversized materials who want powerful braking pressure, rigid rails, smooth movement, and long-term accuracy. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best electric sheep shears that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.